Alright, one more tree to take a look at tonight. This is my Barnisotte. This is from UC Davis. This was a cutting I received. And there was a lot of talk that this variety was going to be similar to, or the same as, Barnisotte Nero. And originally I thought maybe it would be, but as the tree has gotten bigger, you can kind of see the unique leaf pattern on it. And even the new leaves show a similar pattern. Let me skip over quick to my Barnisotte Nero trees and show you what they look like. Alright, here are my two Barnisotte Nero trees. And here is the leaf pattern. So it's definitely similar, but I don't know that I would say it's the same. You can see there's definitely a difference between them. I mean, every leaf seems to be slightly different, but none of them really look the same. Here's my second tree, and here's a leaf that, not really, a little similar, but these trees look identical to each other from the same person, same cuttings. And these are the Barnisotte Nero figs. You can see they're actually cylindrical and kind of squatted a little bit. They are very different in shape compared to the Barnisotte. So, I mean, let's take a walk over now and take a look at the Barnisotte. Alright, sorry to jump back and forth, but back over to the Barnisotte. And had these in the greenhouse. So some of these bigger leaves I could understand as to why they'd be significantly different. But some of these younger ones I would have expected to look like the Barnisotte Nero. And I don't know, maybe they do a little bit. I guess we'll have to see. The one thing for me, though, that says this tree is a different variety is the Brabas, or not the Brabas, the figs. If you look at the figs, they've got the longer neck, and they're not cylindrical, they're elongated. If you look at the ripening fruit, it's sort of the same story. They are not cylindrical, they're elongated, and really don't look like what's going to come out of that Barnisotte Nero. So this one was hanging off and would fall on the next couple days had I not picked it. That's my excuse. I'm sticking to it. See, it looks like it had a little bit of fig honey there dripping off. Pretty tight eye. Not as dark as I expected, but everything I've read about Barnisotte says it really doesn't get all that dark. It gets kind of that purplish greenish color. So, well, let's go take a look at it. Alright, let's go ahead and cut her open and see what she has. Looks like it definitely could have used a little bit longer. I'm not sure if the wind had broken that or what, but it's definitely not fully ripe. I'm going to have to, I think, hold my judgment until I get a ripe Barnisotte, because this one definitely doesn't look quite ripe. But either way, this is the Barnisotte, and we can certainly give it a try and see what it tastes like. Alright, let's see. Let's grab this guy and give him a go. Yes, definitely underripe, but let's see. Definitely underripe. Definitely shows potential, though. It's got a nice flavor. It just has that melony, underripe flavor beating it out. So, well, hopefully more to come in Barnisotte, and we'll see what happens. This is PA Figs.